Right, I have these two thermostats. One's a Mahle, one's VW original. Okay, and I'm going to show you that I really think that these two are exactly the same, and I think Mahle made them for Volkswagen, and I'm going to show you why. First of all, you take the original one. Let's get out in light where you can look at it. And you see right here, there is a Volkswagen part number right there. So it has Volkswagen part number, has a Volkswagen stamp on it. And you take the Mahle, not the M-E-L-E-Y. That's Mahle. That's crap. I won't put those on my car. But if you see right here, it looks like in the factory or in the shipping department that they have to grind off the Volkswagen part number. So I think that this Mahle, M-A-H-L-E, Mahle, comes in this box right here, is the original OEM supplier for Volkswagen. I know that Mahle makes good stuff. They make a lot of stuff for for a lot of manufacturers. They even make pistons and stuff like that. Really popular piston company. And I am very, very sure that these are the same. Like I said, the difference is they have to, if they sold this anywhere but other than to Volkswagen, they would have to take that number off. And you can see, if you look at this really closely, and let's look at it again, just so you can see, that is actually, when I'm rubbing my fingers over it, I can feel they used a little grinder, a little Dremel, and they ground those numbers off. That was not part of their casting. Their casting has that part number on it. So I can tell you right now, it's probably exactly the same as when you get from the dealer, quite a bit less money. And it's not that much less. Auto House Arizona has them pretty cheap, and so does Cascade German. A few dollars more at Cascade German on this item. But if you get one of these, I think you're getting an original part. That's my guess. Look at that. Look at it. You can see like I took a Dremel and ground that off. Pretty good information there. I'll talk to you next video. Please like, share, and subscribe.